Plumbing and flashing. I'm amazed to see they are making TikTok video.
We are making a slow motion video with Nasir.
Oh, that's good. Yusuf has on the torch and finally he has taken decision he will bet fast, right? Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. It's me Tamim. Right now I'm standing in the field. As you can see behind me. Wow, what a mesmerizing, glittering. This is the party field and parties are blooming and flashing. I'm amazed to see the natural beauty. And this is our Paris field, and after some days it will be parties available and parties will grow up, and finally the farmer will be cutting the parties. As you can see behind me, one of my brother, he is coming from playing here, and now I am going through the field and I'm trying to give the exact view of the fields. Now I am going to purpose of play cricket. Oh, they are making TikTok video, and this is Habib. Habib is cameraman.
We are making a slow motion video with Nasir.
Oh, that's good. Another one is Russell. Russell, come here. What you have done?
We are making a slow motion video with Nasir.
Oh, that's good. That's good. They were making slow motion video with Nasheed. So I was thought maybe they were made TikTok video. So this is the thing. As you can see behind me, there are boys are gathering together to play the cricket, and I'm also here to join with them. And I want to play cricket, and you know this is the Ramadan month where we spend our lonely time. That's why I thought, and accordingly I have messaged them on WhatsApp. Accordingly we are now gathering here and we will play cricket. This is the thing, and I think we should spend our time with entertainment. But you know, in our country at this time, most of the people they spend their time with the mobile game, and there are a lot of boys and children are addicted to mobile game like Free Fire, PUBG and so on. But I'm not addicted to this kind of game on virtual. I try to spend my time, I try to play in the outdoor game. I am not interested to indoor game. So dear viewers, those who are watching me, I am highly give you a message. Don't waste your time to stay in your home. Go outside and enjoy the nature and spend your time with a game. It can be cricket game or football, anything. Accordingly I am here, and now I am going through the playground. This is the playground of cricket. Wow, what a blooming and flashing, and grasses are glittering, and I am amazed to see the playground. Dumuki, I am Dumuki. মানে দুমুকি ইংরেজি কি ভিউয়ার্সরা দুমুকির ইংরেজি কি আমি জানি না, আপনারা জানলে বলবেন। তো মানে আমি কার মানে বাটিয়া খেলাইতাম। আমি কার ভাই না না, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা দোবাই ঠিক আছে। মানে অলরেডি আমরা বাটা শেষ, টসর। Who has on the toss? Yusuf has on the toss. On who is he is bet fast. So he is bet fast. So dear viewers, now I have to play, and we on the toss. That's why we have taken, we will fast bet. So dear viewers, I want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Thomas English Care. Bye bye.